All right, here we go. Question number 20 from our Precalculus homework number 12 in MyLab Math. Again, they want us to tell whether the given rational expression is proper or improper. So if you watched the previous video, you're going to know that when the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator, that means the top is bigger than the bottom. That is improper. So if we read on, it says if it's improper, we need to rewrite this as the sum of a polynomial and a proper rational expression. And so how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to go to the scratch work and we're going to do some long division. So over here in our scratch work, I have set up our long division problem. I've got the denominator, which is the divisor. I've got the numerator, which is the dividend, and I hope you notice that I did provide a placeholder for the missing power of the variable, because when you're doing your long division, every power of the dividend has to be represented. And then we can crank out the long division. So the first step is to take the first term of the dividend and divide it by the first term of the divisor to get the first term of the quotient. X cubed divided by x squared, that is 6x. And I'm going to write that right there to keep my like terms lined up. That is the first term of the quotient. And then we need to take that and distribute to the divisor. 6x times x squared, that's going to give me 6x cubed. 6x times negative 1, that is a negative 6x. Remember, keep your like terms lined up. And then the next step in the long division says, draw the line, change the signs, and then combine. Here our x cubes cancel. This, if that was a real term, would fall through and carry down. But since it's 0x squared, I don't really have to write it because there's none of those. 7 and 6 is 13x. The minus 1 comes down. And then if you notice at this point, this result has a lower degree than the divisor. And so that means that we're done with our long division. So how is this going to translate into our answer? Well, the quotient is going to be our polynomial, which we would add to that the rational expression where 13x minus 1 is the numerator, and again the divisor is the denominator. And then if you notice, this fractional part is proper because the degree of the denominator is bigger than the degree of the numerator. And so this is the answer that they're going to want to see. And so we have the expression is improper, and the result was 6x plus, and then as a fraction, 13x minus 1 over x squared minus 1. And that's going to do it for this particular problem. So if you have any questions or comments about anything covered in this video, please feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.